This is almost terrible of me. But, you know, my kitchen is just... Anyway, this dough, I found my recipe. This dough worked out, and I made some stuff for some other people. And anyway, I made that bread ball the right way. What I want to show you, it's cooling for me right now. It's a little heavy. I'm going to make a tuna salad in mine. That's what I want. That's what I've been craving. You see how it fits in there? Come on, don't make a fool out of me. You see how it fits in there? Now I would have had the sides on it if I had known it was going to rise properly. It should have risen more actually, but I took some out to make some rolls for somebody. But anyway, it's a little lopsided right now because of the way it's sitting. But I'm going to go ahead and cut that for you and add this onto my video. Or just, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I owe it to you because the other one was a disaster. And that way you can know how to make your own bread bowl. And, man, this is heavy. So you can do, yeah, that's my pompoy. So you could do soups, or like I'm going to do the cold stuff. But we're heading into winter. And what's nicer at winter time than to have a nice bread bowl of soup? Okay, so after that cools and I guess I get hungry, I'm going to come in here and cut it and show you again how to dig it out. And it'd be the same as what I said on the video. So I got to put it back in the oven once I hollow it out and get it a little dry. Not too dry, but you like it toasted when you have your... This is not my dog or child. I guess that's how I feel about my food. Anyway, forgot what I was saying. Doesn't matter. We're going to come back. We're going to finish this off. And we're going to have a nice tuna salad for lunch today. Alright. See you in a bit. Okay, well it cooled. And I cut the top off. And I cut the middle out. And so... again, with the thick walls, that's okay. That way it won't seep through. I'm going to go ahead and toss it into the oven for 10 minutes at 350. So it gets a little toasty. I'm going to go ahead and make my tuna salad. And cut this up nicely. Because I'm going to be doing a little bit of dunking. And I'm telling you what, this is a lot of bread. So this would be perfect for 2 people. It would be absolutely perfect for 2 people. Sometimes I can eat for 2 people. So I'm going to toss this in there, make my stuff, and then we're going to plate this and make it look like it should. Okay, well I got it out of the oven and I filled it with my tuna salad. And I went ahead and cut up, you know, into just little, they're not squares. I guess the little rectangles to dip in. I guess you could do this for a party too if you wanted to. I'm going to do egg salad maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. Do not make fun of me. There's only one of me here and it's going to be enough for me to eat just this much tuna. So, I've got my tuna in there. Way in there. But anyway, see I got a nice consistency. Can you see it? Anyway, imagine how much soup that could fill. So that would really feed 2 people easily. Maybe more depending on how much you eat. I eat a lot. And I come from a family that eats a lot. So this 2 people, this would be good. Maybe a normal family, maybe it could feed the whole family. I don't know. But anyway, I only have a little bit in there because... you know, my dog's not going to eat the rest. So there you go. You got a bread bowl. Now I'm going to go eat because I'm hungry. And I promised. So I finished. There you go. Enjoy.